Okay, so this is a pretty exciting day for me because I am launching my first ever perfume, Pure Temptation. It's slightly naughty, a little bit romantic, and my name's on the bottle. How exciting is that? I never thought I'd have my own perfume. It's been quite a long journey to get here. It is such a personal thing to create your own perfume because it's all about the scents that you love. And when you begin, you think, oh, this is really simple. And then you start layering the base notes with the heart, with the top notes, and the smell keeps changing. And I couldn't quite get it right, but ultimately what we've ended up with, I just adore. It's got quite oriental overtones, which I just think is really delicious and makes it super easy to wear. So it's very transitional. You can wear it day to night, pop it on in the morning, you'll smell completely scrumptious all day, and then just spritz yourself up in the evening again before you go out. And I promise you, it will make you feel good all day long. My favourite notes, I think, are the heart notes of pink pepper and rose, which just smell completely delicious. Also, I love the colour pink, so that really works for me as well. The packaging is a gorgeous black and white chevron, which I think will look so good sitting on your dressing table. Anyway, I hope you guys all love it as much as I do. I'm really excited. Please enjoy it. Thank you.